Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your iPhone to your Opel Astra. First, ensure both your iPhone and the car's infotainment system are powered on and ready. Next, identify where your car's USB port is, or prepare to access the Bluetooth settings. Having your iPhone's USB cable nearby will be helpful for a quick wired setup. For a wired connection, simply plug your iPhone into the Opel Astra's USB port using a certified Apple USB cable. Your car's infotainment system, often IntelliLink, is compatible with Apple CarPlay. You may see prompts on your iPhone or the car's display. Confirm these to proceed. Apple CarPlay should then automatically launch, giving you access to your phone's features. To connect wirelessly, start by enabling Bluetooth on your iPhone through its settings. Then, on your Opel Astra's infotainment screen, go to the Bluetooth menu and select Device Management to search for new devices. Your iPhone should appear in the list. Select it and confirm the pairing code displayed on both your phone and the car's screen. If you encounter connection issues, a simple restart of both your iPhone and the car's infotainment system can often resolve them. Keeping your iPhone's iOS and the car's software updated ensures optimal performance and compatibility. Remember, for the best experience, always use genuine Apple accessories. Also, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab little trees black ice. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.